guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Tashay, and for today's video we'll be doing a contact haul, I guess. I'll be showing you guys some lovely contact lenses I was gifted by a brand called Ttdeye. So they sent me this lovely package right here. The box is so cute and colorful, and I got to choose 4 different colors, and I'm really excited to show you guys because I've been wanting like colored contact lenses for a while now, but I just never gotten to like doing it or ordering them or like even looking at like different companies and such. But you know, God was on my side, and God, you know, God got me this little brand sponsorship. So let's get started. But before we do, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Make sure to do that right now. And yeah, let's get started. So this is how the box looks. It's very colorful, very cute. You know, we got an eye on it and the brand name Ttdeye, and it stands for the third eye. And yeah, let's open her up. So opens up like this. Okay, so when you open the box, you immediately see like this little hello card right here, and they also put some stickers, which is really cute. So the card says Ttdeye and it says hello, and this is the front of it, and then this is the back. So it has some information on the back, which just says if you want to win free contacts, check these 2 methods. So you can post a video or photo and share it on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and you hashtag Ttdeye, and you get a chance to win free contacts, which is really cute, really cool. And like this is just all their like socials on the bottom right here, and like how you can win free contacts, which is really great. So inside the box it says Ttdeye, and they also sent me like these little clear cases to put the contacts in when I'm done with them, like when I'm done taking them out. And it comes with like applicators like to put them in or take them out. I don't really need those because I'm very comfortable with like putting my own contacts in, because I do wear like contacts to see. So I already have like, you know, my own little method of how I like to put them in and take them out. They also sent me like some little tattoos right here, very cute. I love that like they sent like little things in their package. It makes it like more appealing to someone to get, or just fun and like a cute way of like putting it together. So these are the 4 contacts I was sent. Like I said, I got to choose the contacts that I wanted, and like I said, the packaging is so freaking cute. Just looking at that, so cute. They sent these little things right here. I don't really know what they are, but it's cute. It's at these little pink hearts. So these are the 4 contact lenses. I'm gonna take them out of the box. I'm gonna try them on for you guys right now. So this one is Queen Gray. I already took them out and put them in the little container cases I got because I didn't want to make a mess. But this is how they look when they come in this thing right here. This is what they come in, and they would be like in here in a solution. So this is how they would look. But I already took them out, like I said, because I just didn't want like the mess. I already used my contact solution, which I'll just show you guys right now. So this is the contact solution I use. Just like a big bottle, because like I said, I wear contacts like every day. I already put them in the cases that I got with them. So this one is called Queen Gray. I'm gonna pop these in right now. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys what I put them in, but I'm gonna have to take out my clear ones that I have in right now, and I should get a mirror because okay. So I'm gonna take my clear ones out. My hands are somewhat clean, but they're gonna get dirty because I'm gonna be putting my hands on my face, and my eye makeup might get messed up. But you know, this is how it goes. So this is Queen Gray. So what I do pretty much, I should probably zoom you guys in. Okay, so what I do is I sometimes use my ring finger, pull down, and I get it in. My makeup is definitely gonna get messed up, but what can I do? So you guys can like see everything, but this is how they look. Okay guys, so this is how Queen Gray looks. So this is my normal color eyes, and then this is obviously Queen Gray. It's really pretty, and to me it looks really natural, you know, really cute. Let me see, because I can't really see in the viewfinder, but like, yeah, they look really cute. I got some creases under my eyes, my makeup, but it's really pretty. I really like this one. So like, if you want to like switch your look up, you know, you want to look a little bit different, I feel like colored contacts are the way to go. It just adds a little something. I gotta have lipstick on my teeth. Okay, so both contacts are in right now, and this is how it looks. Yeah, how do you guys like them? I think they're really pretty, and these ones I will wear because it doesn't look too crazy. It doesn't look like, you know, I couldn't have these eyes. But like I want to tell you guys the tones that are in them. So like I said, these ones are called Queen Gray. They're light yellow and gray, so they have 2 tones in them. It's a natural effect, and yeah, like I didn't say, but these are prescription lenses, so I don't even know where my glasses with these or anything like that. I can see clearly. They're very comfortable. I've worn these ones before and my eyes did not get dry throughout the day. I wore them for like probably 4 hours, and they were really comfortable to wear. Yeah, so this is how Queen Gray looks. Really cute, really pretty, natural looking. You can't say these aren't my eyes, like you can't say that. But let's move on to the next color contact lenses I picked up. So the next color I'm gonna try is Iris Brown Green 2, and these ones, like in the description, it's brown and green. So this is how they look in the case. So I'm going to take the ones that I currently have in, which are Queen Gray, and I'm going to put these ones in right now. Okay, so this is how the brown slash green ones look. Yeah, so this is how the brown slash green one look. Okay, so we can see the green at like the outer rim, and this is how they look compared to my brown eyes. So they do have the green on the outer side, and then like the brown in the middle. They're really comfortable as well, and I feel like these ones look very natural. Can you say these aren't my eyes, you know? Okay guys, so this is how they look with both in my eyes. My others are getting really messy and creasing and crusty because of like me putting them in, but this is a up close look of them. I really like how like in like the iris area, like inside looks like with the little brown wiggly lines. I don't know how to describe it, but I think it's really pretty. I didn't show you guys the little applicators that you can use to put them in. So these ones are for like taking them off, and then these ones are for like putting the contact lens on like the curve part, and you like pop it into your eyes. I've tried these before, like they're really simple to use, but I just prefer using my hands because that's what like I normally do and it's what I'm used to. Okay guys, so these are the CYAN Ocean Cyan Gray colored lenses. So this is how this one looks compared to my brown eyes. Very different from my natural color eyes. These ones are very bold and out there. I do not think I could like, you know, say these are my eyes, but these are pretty as well. So these ones are pretty as well. So yeah, these are cute too, but let's put the other ones in so I can show you guys the full effect. So okay, so this is how the Ocean Cyan Gray ones look. They're very intense to me, but I think it's cute. Very different. Look like a different person. Yeah, they're very intense guys, but they're really pretty too. They're scary pretty to me. These ones are gonna take me some time to get used to like wearing, because it just doesn't really look like me, you know, but they're very pretty. So this is like a close-up of how they look. Very intense, very gray, very pretty as well. They're pretty. I'll say that they are pretty, but they just look a bit scary, you know. But yeah, these ones, the tones are cyan gray, yellow, and black. So they do have like these little black dots like surrounding the pupil, but they're really they're pretty, but just scary in a pretty way. They're very comfortable as well as the other ones, like, you know, I'm like scary. Okay guys, so the next ones I have to show you are HD brownness, and like they're just like brown, a really light brown contact lens. I have them in right now. So this is how they look compared to my brown eyes. They're like a really lighter brown lens, and they're really pretty. I feel like they look very natural and can be like an everyday type of wear. So yeah, it's just brown and they're really pretty. So I'm gonna pop the other ones in so you guys can get the full effect. Okay guys, so this is how they look on both my eyes. Very pretty, very natural looking, and I think these are my favorite ones because I absolutely love brown eyes. So this is how they look. Very pretty, and yeah, these ones are just really pretty to me. I just love brown eyes. Brown eyes are just so beautiful, and I'm so happy and blessed that I have brown eyes. So these ones are really comfortable as well. They feel like nothing on my eyeballs, and I love that for me. So I think I'm gonna wear these ones today. Very cute. Okay guys, so that's the end of today's video. Don't forget to check Ttdeye out. They have amazing contact lenses, so much different variety like of all styles. You can find anything you want on their website, which will be in the description box down below. So don't forget to look there, and see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Bye.